Welcome to our maths lecture. This is Rahul Parekh, your maths teacher. My dear students, would you like to have fun with mathematics in your summer vacation? If yes, then let's go. My dear students, as you know that during this summer vacation, we have to perform an interesting activity. As you know the topic is working model of number line to do the addition and subtraction. Dear students, in our regular classes, we have studied that how to add the values on the number line and how to subtract the values on number line. Now, in this video lecture, I am going to explain you that how to make the working model to do the same, right? So in this video lecture, we will make one number line, one we can say that working model of number line, and on that working model, we will perform the addition and subtraction of the numbers, right? So without wasting any time, let's get started. Dear students, to make the working model of the number line, the things required are, first of all, you will require a cardboard sheet, right? Here I have taken a cardboard sheet of A3 size, right? So you can use any cardboard sheet which is available at your home, right? Here I have taken the cardboard sheet of A3 size. Then you will require two strips like this, right? Of the same size as the length of this cardboard sheet. जितनी इस cardboard sheet की length होगी ना, you have to take the strip of cardboard sheet of the same size. इतनी size की लेनी है. Now the second thing is how to make this number line. First of all, see my dear students, first of all we have to make this type of arrow, right, to point the numbers on the number line. इस तरीके से एक arrow बना देना है to point the numbers on the number line. Now the main thing is how to do the number line on this cardboard sheet, right? So first of all, dear students, make sure that you leave some space in between this arrow. First of all, arrange this arrow like this, and similarly second arrow like this. Now you will get the idea that in this region we have to make the number line. So mark this region, right? Mark this region, and in this region we will draw a number line. Okay, so first of all, by using scale and pencil, we will make one number line, right? In this region, we have to make a number line. So first of all, by using pencil, let us draw a number line like this. Now, students, as we know that we can represent whole numbers on the number line, right? And as we all know that whole numbers start from 0, right? So first of all, see, as I told you during our regular classes that we have to keep the distance between two numbers same, right? So first of all, let us mark 1 over here. First of all, sorry, 0. The smallest whole number is 0. Now make sure that the distance between each two number is same, right? So अगर next जो number है 0 के बाद after 0 1 is there, so take the distance of the width of this scale. जितनी scale की width है ना उतना ही distance ले लो ताकि सभी numbers के बीच का जो distance है it will remain same, right? So again just like this, repeat this and just mark the numbers on the number line, right, like this. Like this, right? Now let us write down the numbers, especially whole numbers on the number line. Very first and smallest whole number is 0, then it is 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Dear students, as I told you that when we do addition or subtraction on the number line, we will take small numbers, right? Because here we have a number line up to 16 numbers only, right? So we will do some examples of addition or subtraction of the numbers which are lying between 0 to 16, right? So hope you are clear with this number line. First of all, let us make the arrows on both sides, right? Here also. So our number line is ready. Now we will stick these strips on the in the upper side of the number line and in the down side of the number line. Okay, so dear students, I'll show you how to make this type of strips, or we can say that arrow, right? Just we have taken this paper, right? We have cut it in the form of we can say that pencil, and we have made here two strips, right? Here we have made two cuts, we can say, and we have to pass this strip through these cuts, right? Like this, you have to pass the cardboard strips through this, we can say that pointers, right? Just like this, you will have to pass it, right? Now your pointers are ready, your arrows are ready. Now you just have to stick these strips. One strip you have to stick in the upward direction of the number line, and second strip you will have to stick here in downward direction, just like this, right? So I'm going to use here staplers to stick them. Okay, only यहाँ पे जो end points है ना, वहीं पे हमें स्टेपलर लगा के इसको फिक्स कर देना है. So first of all, let us fix the first strip, right? Just like this. Clear? Similarly, second strip we are going to fix just like this. Again, I need to stick it. Okay. So my dear students, our working model of the number line is ready to add the values and subtract the values. Now, how to add the values and how to subtract the values on this number line, let us understand by using one example. For example, my dear students, suppose we have to add 4 and 3, right? We want to add 4 and 3. So first of all, what you have to do, the first number is 4. So keep this arrow at 4, right? ये जो pointer है, you need to keep it at 4. Got it? Now, what we have to add in 4? We have to add 3. So first of all, दोनों arrows को 4 पे ले जाना है. Then fix this first arrow at 4, and what we have to add? We have to add 3. So we have to move this second arrow up to 3 steps, right? So this is first step, second step and third step, right? At reaching at third step, the answer is 7. So the addition of 4 and 3 is 7. Hope you got the idea. Let us take one more example. Suppose we want to add let's say 4 and 5, right? So again, first of all, we have to keep both of these pointers at 4 because the first number is 4. Then look at the second number. What we have to add? 5, right? 5 we have to add in 4. So first arrow we have to keep at 4. Then second arrow we have to move. How many steps? We have to move second arrow for 5 steps, right? So first step, second step, third step, fourth step and fifth step. At fifth step, your answer is 9. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Hope you got the idea, right? Now let us perform the subtraction on the number line. For example, we want to subtract 3 from 9, right? We want to subtract 3 from 9. So very first step is keep these two arrows at 9, right? So keep these two arrows at 9. Okay, done. Now which arrow we have to move? Second arrow we have to move. Now students, as we have learnt in our regular classes that when we do addition, we have to move in the right direction on the number line, and when we do subtraction, we have to move in the left direction on the number line. Here we are going to do subtraction, so that means we need to move this second arrow in left direction. But how many steps? We have to move the second arrow in left direction 3 steps. Why? Because we are going to subtract 3 from 9. Okay, so let us move this second arrow 3 steps in left direction. So one step, second step and third step, right? At reaching the third step, your answer is 6. So 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay, clear? Let us take one more example to perform the subtraction. Let's say, suppose we have 16, right? And we want to subtract 7 from it, right? Again I repeat, suppose we want to subtract 7 from 16. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to keep both of these arrows at 16. Okay, लास्ट में 16 तक जाएंगे इस एरो को लेके, राइट? बोथ ऑफ दीज एरोज शुड बी एट 16 फर्स्ट. ओके, देन second arrow we have to move, because we are doing subtraction, we have to move this second arrow in left direction. But how many steps? What we have to subtract? We have to subtract 7. So 7 steps we have to move this left arrow, this arrow, second arrow in left direction. So first step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, sixth step and seventh step. After completing 7 steps, we got the answer, that is 9. So 16 minus 7 is 9. Okay, so hope you are clear with this example. So hope you are clear with the procedure, how to make the number line, how to make the working model of number line, right? Now my dear students, you need to make this type of working model at your home by yourself. You can take the help of your parents, right? But make sure that you make this number line properly. You draw the, means make sure that the distance between each two number must be same. ये दोनों कोई भी दो digits के बीच में जो distance है, make sure that it must be same. And while you stick these strips, make sure that दोनों strips के जो end points, जो pointers होंगे, वो exactly number line के एकदम नज़दीक होने चाहिए, right? So that's all for today. You have to make this working model at your home, right? And you have to perform the addition and subtraction. My dear students, hope you enjoyed this video lecture. Okay, and make your summer vacation funful. Thank you.